Ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning.
Behavior. Now, behavior is a reflection of one's identity, and it gives a fair idea of one's character, isn't it?
Yes.
And therefore, people have to guard their behavior with their life. And when it comes to the behavior of children, the world sees a big change, and majority of them are opinion that it has gone for worse. Today's children misbehave beyond reasonable proportion, and even before they reach the school age, defiance is a part and parcel of their behavioral repertoire. The level of disrespect to elders, including to parents and children, parents and teachers, is on rise, and it includes actions such as outright refusal to what they are told to, purposely breaking rules, failing to follow directions, argue, blame others, and so on. Yes, we are in the different era. We are in the different era today of advanced technology and information revolution. But there is no justification. I repeat, there is no justification that it should reduce or remove the need for good manners and respect and demeanor with the children. In fact, inculcation of such attributes of discipline is the right answer to today's vices such as overtly seen materialism and selfishness. Today's generation might have the ascended level of knowledge and know-how, but has a descended level of human value. The purpose of life is to be useful, to be honorable, and to be compassionate, instead of only being happy with material achievements. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens, and they make the important fabric of our society. Their conduct, their thought, their actions will contribute in the nation building, and therefore it is our joint responsibility as parents, as teachers, as elders who can influence the children, that utmost care is taken in the upbringing of children in a way that they are aligned to the right virtues of life, and an autocorrect system, effective autocorrect systems is made against the decadences of today's modern world.